Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and basic settings. This ensures predictable results. First, verify your IQOO Neo 10R model and software build so the fast charge profile is supported. Next, plug the original 120W charger and the supplied USB-C cable into a reliable wall outlet. Once connected, make sure battery is above 20% so the phone will accept high-power charging without safety limits. While plugged in, unlock the phone and keep the screen on to follow the next steps. Now you go into the system charging controls to enable high-speed modes. In settings, open battery or power options and locate fast charge, turbocharge, or high-voltage charging. Toggle it on so the phone accepts maximum input. Make sure battery saver and adaptive battery or background app restrictions are off because they reduce charging speed. Also check for any smart charging or scheduled limits and disable them. Once these options are active, the device will negotiate the higher current with the charger. Finish by confirming the phone actually fast charges and know one troubleshooting trick. Observe the charging icon and percent jump in the first minutes. Fast charging should show a rapid increase and a fast charge indicator. If it's slow, reboot the phone, replug using the original cable and charger, and clean the USB-C port. Debris can limit current. If problems persist, reset power or network settings or contact IQOO support. Remember, wrong cable, damaged charger, or software limits are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.